Eufy Security Smart Lock C220 epitomizes modern home security, blending traditional lock mechanisms with contemporary smart. This lock provides keyless entry through fingerprint recognition, which self-learns over time for more accurate readings. It is also accessible via a mobile app, keypad, or physical, ensuring multiple entry methods for convenience. The built-in Wi-Fi facilitates remote control, while the 8-month battery life minimizes maintenance hassle. With BHMA Grade 3 rated, it meets basic security standards, making it a reliable, user